Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy onion salad, perfect for complementing your tandoori chicken. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large red onions, a fresh bunch of cilantro, and 1 green chili. Also, have 1 lemon, a pinch of salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder ready. These fresh components are key to a vibrant salad. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the onions. Carefully peel and thinly slice your 2 large red onions into beautiful half-moon shapes. The thinner the slices, the better the texture for your salad. Gently separate the rings to ensure every piece gets coated with the dressing later. For a milder flavor, rinse these sliced onions under cold water for about 5 minutes, then drain them thoroughly. Next, we'll create the vibrant dressing. Finely chop your fresh cilantro and the 1 green chili. Adjust the chili to your spice preference. In a mixing bowl, combine the thoroughly drained sliced onions with the chopped cilantro and chili. Now, squeeze the fresh juice from 1 whole lemon over everything. Finish by adding a pinch of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder for that perfect zing. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently toss all the ingredients in the bowl until they are thoroughly combined, and every onion slice is coated with the flavorful dressing. This ensures a consistent taste in every bite. Serve this refreshing, tangy, and slightly spicy onion salad immediately alongside your warm tandoori chicken. It adds a wonderful crunch and balances the rich flavors of your main dish beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.